In class 12th, today we will study electric potential and electric potential energy. So what is electric potential? Electric potential is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive test charge from infinity to a point near another charge. So suppose that we have to bring a charge Q naught. It is called unit positive test charge near another charge Q, and we have to do a work W. Then the potential of the charge will be equal to W upon Q naught. So you have to learn this formula and this bold letter definition. So what is electric potential due to a point charge? The work done by an external agent in carrying a unit positive test charge, underline unit positive test charge, from infinite, underline, from infinite to a point in the electric field is called electric potential at that point. So learn this definition and write this equation. So in simple or general way, you may say electric potential is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive test charge in the electric field of another charge. What is the unit of electric potential? That could be said joule per coulomb or volt. Next is potential difference. Now what do you mean by potential difference? Let's see from the diagram the electric potential. Suppose that you have to find out the electric potential of charge Q at this point. So you have to bring the charge from infinite to this point. Let that the amount of work done is W, then W upon Q naught is called electric potential at this point. Now if you have to find out the potential difference between A to B, so what do you have to do? You have to find out the potential at point A and the potential at point B. So what is the potential at point A? VA is equal to the amount of work done to bring the charge from infinity to point A, that is WA. Then the potential at A, that will be WA upon Q naught. Similarly, what would be the potential at B? That will be WB upon Q naught. So what is the potential difference? The amount of work done in bringing a unit positive test charge between that two points is known as potential difference. So VA minus VB is equal to W upon Q naught. What is W? W is the work done in bringing the charge Q naught from A to B or B to A. So this is potential difference. Now what the statement do you have to write in copy? This. The work done by an external agent in carrying a unit positive test charge from one point to other point in an electric field is called potential difference between those 2 points. Draw this diagram, write this statement and write this formula. Instead of this, you may write VA minus VB is equal to WA minus WB upon Q naught is equal to W upon Q naught. Next topic is, what is electron volt? It is a unit of energy. So what is the value of 1 electron volt? Only you have to learn this. 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. Write the heading electron volt and write only this part. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. Or 1 joule is equal to 1 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 electron volt. Learn this conversion. It is essential for your numerical. Next, electric potential due to a point charge. This expression you have to derive. So write the question that obtain the expression of electric potential at a point due to a point charge. First of all, see the diagram. In this diagram, this is a charge plus Q at point O. There is a point P where we have to find out the electric potential. So we have to bring a unit positive test charge Q naught from infinite to point P. So what is to be done? Let's see. In this, how to solve this? Draw this diagram as it is mentioned. It is point P, it is point B, it is point A. Let's consider that the charge is kept at point A and the distance from A to B is dx and the distance of point A from O, that is x. Now what would happen? First of all, we have to find out the force acting between these two charges when the charge Q0 is kept at A and Q is kept at O. So what is the force? With the help of Coulomb's law, F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K. K is actually permittivity of the medium, whether you write it or not. So let K, it is a medium in which these two charges are kept. Q0 upon x square, this is Coulomb's law. Now suppose that we have to bring this charge from point A to B. It is a very small section of distance, that is dx. Now what the work will I have to do in bringing the charge from A to B? That is dw. So dw is equal to force into distance, because the charge is carried in this direction. So that is why I am applying negative sign, because it is positive x and this is negative x. So dw is equal to f dot minus dx. Now w is equal to integration infinite to r, means actually we have to find out the electric potential at this point. So we have to integrate the equation from infinite to r. So minus integration of infinite to r f dx. What is the value of f? Is this. So the constant part is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q q naught. Take out as a common, minus q q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught k. Now integration infinite to r, that is 1 upon x square dx. When you integrate this equation, then it will come minus 1 upon x infinite to r. Then open the limit, then q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught k bracket minus 1. First x will be equal to r, so minus 1 upon r. In second case, x is equal to infinity. Minus and minus, according to the formula between these two terms, there would be a minus sign. Minus and minus will become plus 1 upon infinite. 1 upon infinite is 0. So minus and minus will become plus. So w is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q naught upon r. This is the work done in bringing a unit positive test charge from infinite to point P. Now we know very well from the definition, electric potential is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive test charge from infinite to a point. So V is equal to W upon Q naught. W is this upon Q naught and Q naught cancel. So electric potential, the formula will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q upon r, or finally suppose that the medium in which these two charges are kept, that is air or vacuum, then the k will be equal to 1. For vacuum or air, k is equal to 1. So V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r, volt.